Sairam students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn EVS 1 Geography 6th chapter. Rules are for everyone part 2. But before that, let's take a short recap of the previous session. We had learned need to obey rules and changes in rules for the society. Okay. And today we are going to see social customs. The first point, we follow many customs and traditions in our lives. We follow those traditions by observing our mother, father, grandparents and other relatives. This means students, we are going to learn social customs means many customs and traditions are being followed in our lives and they are followed by observing our mother, father, grandparents and other relatives. Okay. Now the next, there are several good customs and traditions in our society. We celebrate festivals together. We welcome guests who visit us and are hospitable to them. Okay, this means students, many good customs and traditions are there in our society. We celebrate festivals together and even welcome guests who visit us and we are friendly to them. Okay, now the next one. Many of our customs enable us to maintain the balance of nature. We express our love and gratitude towards animals. The values of non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient times. Okay, this means to maintain the balance of nature, many of our customs allow us to express our love and gratitude, means thanks, towards animals. And so since ancient times, the values of non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life. Okay, now the next. Even so, there are some traditions and customs that are not desirable. They are not beneficial for our society. For example, caste distinction. This means students, there are some traditions and customs that are not sensible and not even beneficial, means helpful for our society. For example, caste distinction, which is based on birth and wealth. Okay. And now the next point is, because of this, a divide has been created in society. It has given rise to inequality, untouchability, wars, and inhuman and unjust customs. Okay, this means, and because of caste distinction, a divide has been created in society and given rise to inequality and an inhuman and unjust custom was untouchability. For example, scheduled caste or scheduled tribes. Okay. Now the next, the Constitution of Independent India abolished the custom of untouchability. Many times laws have to be made to abolish unjust customs. This means students, our Constitution of Independent India have put an end to the custom of untouchability and several times laws have to be made to put an end to unjust customs. Okay. Now the next point, in our country, customs such as sati and child marriage were abolished by making laws that banned them. The law that banned the use of magic for cheating people was first enacted in Maharashtra. Receiving a dowry has been banned by law. This means students, customs such as sati and child marriage were put an end by making laws that banned them. Then the use of magic for cheating people was first enacted in Maharashtra, and even receiving a dowry has been banned by law. Okay, now the next, wrong customs and traditions caused the neglect of some sections of society. They have no access to education. Therefore, they do not get opportunities of development. This means, students, some actions of society are the cause of the neglect of wrong customs and traditions. And they do not get opportunities, mean chance of development, because they have no access, means entry to education. Okay. Now the next, they have no means of livelihood. Therefore, they have to face poverty. Poverty and lack of education are the two big obstacles in our society. This means, students, they have no way of living. Therefore, they have to face poverty. Means poverty means state of being poor. Okay. And lack of education are the two big obstacles in our society. Okay. Now the next, we can only make progress together if we get rid of these obstacles. So students, we can only make progress together if we get clear of these barriers. Okay. So now we are going to see the picture. This is a picture of our social issues. So you can see, first picture is illiteracy, second is superstition, third is child marriage, and the fourth is child labor. Now next point we are going to see is protecting our environment. In it, the first point, just as laws are necessary to maintain equality and justice in society, laws are also required for the protection of the environment. We are dependent on nature in many ways. So this means, students, for the protection of the environment, laws are required just as laws are necessary to maintain equality and justice, and we are dependent on nature in many ways. Okay. Now the next one. Most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. Natural resources should be available in enough quantities for the needs of our future generation. Therefore, we must conserve these natural resources. We must use them carefully. This means, students, by nature, most of our needs are fulfilled. Okay. For the future generations, natural resources should be available in enough quantities, and therefore we must conserve this resources and use them very carefully. Okay. Now students, the next point we are going to see is work of social workers. Okay. In it, the first point, caste discrimination, gender equality and lack of education for women were some of the big obstacles in our society. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Rajashri Shahu Maharaj and Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar tried to get rid of this obstacles. Means this great social workers, they tried to get rid of this caste discrimination, gender equality and lack of education for women were some of the big obstacles in our society, and this great peoples try to get rid of this obstacles. Okay, now the next, Savitri Bai Phule had a great battle for women's education. Her colleagues Fatima Sheikh provided her with valuable assistance in this fight. Maharshi Dondu Keshav Karve also did great work to promote women's education. Now students, see here, for the women's education, who did a great fight? Yes, Savitri Bai Phule. Yes. And her colleagues were Fatima Sheikh, and they provided her with valuable assistance in this fight. Yes, very good. And who else was there? Yes, Maharshi Dondu Keshav Karve. He was also great social worker to promote women's education. Okay. Now the next point, the work of all these social workers was instrumental in bringing about positive change in our society. This means students, all these social workers by their work were successful in bringing about the positive change in our society. Very good. Now what we have learned today, we have learned social customs, protection of environment, then work of the social workers. Very good. And now we are going to do one activity, that is fill in the blanks. First one, many of our customs enable us to maintain the dash of nature. Yes, and what will be the answer? Yes, balance. Many of our customs enable us to maintain the balance of nature. Now the next one, we express our love and dash towards animals. So that is gratitude. We express our love and gratitude towards animals. Very good. Now that's all for today. Sai Ram. Thank you.